Drop it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate another example of the for loop. Okay, so let's have a for loop. Now our target output is we're going to ask the user to input two values, the lower and upper limits. So this could be any number. And then let's say our lower limit is 10, our upper limit is 20. So we're going to display the numbers within this range. So 10, 11, 12, up to reach the value of 20. Okay, so here's our goal. Take note in our program, the lower limit here is 10, and then our upper limit here, upper limit will be 20. So we'll use this one, okay? Let's start with our program. Int I. I'll use this for our loop. Second is I'm going to declare two more variables, m and n, okay? Now I'm going to represent these two values where m will be used for our lower limit, while n will be used for our upper limit. Okay, now let's prompt the user. Cout, let's say enter lower and upper limit. There. Next is let's input now the data. M, N. Now for our loop, what we're going to do is we will have M here as our initial value, and then N here will be our final value. If we go back to this example, so 10 will be our initial, okay, initial value, and then this one here will be our final value. Okay, it's initial and final value. For open parentheses, I is equals to M, I less than or equal to N, I plus plus. Okay, so since if you see in our output, we start from 10, then 11, so we add 1, so we're going to use here I plus plus, and then let's print out the value now of I, and then let's have some spaces here. So here is your code. Okay, let's test our program. So here's the output. So we're asked to enter the lower and upper limit. So let's say our lower limit is 10, our upper limit is 20, enter. The output is 10 to 20. Okay, so take note, I here, I is equals to M is our initial value. If you go back to my flow, this will be step 1, which is our initial value. This is step 2. If this section here is true, then we go to the looping to the C++ statement, which is, let's say we call this as step 3. We print it out. So that's why is I, let's say 10 less than or equal to 20, true. So we're able to print out the value of 10 here. Then we go to this section, which is our increment. We add 1 to the existing variable of I. So I here becomes 10 plus 1 is 11. Then is 11 less than or equal to 20? Yes. Then we print out here 11 until we reach out 20. Okay? So here's another demonstration of the use of the for loop statement. So I hope you like the program. Thank you for watching. Bye.